Alright, we got our pile of tools that we think we should need. I got my assistant, Zachary. He's 13, gonna be 14 in a year, so he's gotta learn how to do this. Lay on under here, buddy. Okay. Dodge doesn't like people, so we have to take that bolt right there out.
Okay. So
right here. So we need wrenches. That goes right there. Too big. Time out. We need different wrenches. Alright, we're back. We got the right wrench. We got the drain plug out. We're draining the oil out now. Zachary took the plug out all by himself. Future mechanic. There was not much oil in this thing, sadly. Worrisome. But we're going to put some new synthetic in her. Okay, we're officially done draining the oil. So now, when you're done, you always remember to put the plug back in. Or things will not work.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, now, this wrench comes towards you now.
Alright.
Always make sure you get a good bite on there. German for torqued. Good and tight. Yep. Alright, now slide out. Now remember where the filter was? We gotta take that filter off now. Which is gonna be right here. Alright, can you reach that filter? Or do you want me to get it?
I'm gonna let you get it.
Okay. Just come clear up here into the abyss and darkness. And you slowly twist it loose and you wait for oil to start draining. So you know where to move the pan to catch it. And there is no oil draining out of it. Oh, there we go. Right into the pan, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm gonna say it's probably not good that's not draining oil.
Well, it's just on an angle. Here it comes. Ugh. Now we'll let that drain and we'll be back in just a minute.
So I don't really know if we're ready.
Alright, take your finger, dip it in there. True story, dip it in there.
I don't have to dip it in there.
I gotta show you how this works. Dip your finger right in there till you get covered in oil. Got oil on it?
Yeah.
Take it out, rub that black ring.
This one?
Yep. Make sure it's all coated and shiny. There you go.
Good?
Yep. That will make sure there's a good connection, a good tight seal on the oil filter when it meets the engine. And then you also always look up there and make sure that the old O-ring came off. Because if you accidentally put two O-rings on, it'll puke all your oil right back out the front.
Ah. Okay.
Put it on and give her a little oomph. And now we fill it up with oil.
Oh, right there.
We are going with the O'Reilly's full synthetic high mileage 5W30.
Cat.
We got a cat helper. Here you go, Zach. Get. Pour her slow down into this funnel here. Yep, keep her going. Don't go too fast or it'll fill the funnel up. You can go a little faster than that. We'll put this in, and then we got another 5-quart jug to put in. And a couple things to check over. I recently put a new front differential and an axle in this thing. There's another cat helper. Another cat helper. We got a crowd. Maybe they need fed. Nah. We switched out now because the bigger jug, Zach didn't want to spill it. And believe me, I didn't want Zach to spill it. Shermie, get out of here. Dang cat. Sherman always tries to help. I'm surprised Jake ain't over here helping too.
And he's putting his butt in my face.
We are trying to do an educational video here, cat. So anyways, this is an 05 or 06? 05 Dodge Durango Limited with the DVD player and the navigation that don't work. Pretty slick. Custom. Takes 6 quarts of oil. Like I said, I replaced the front differential because it grenaded on us. Do you remember when that happened? She was making all kinds of cool noises going down the highway at 65.
Yep.
And we limped it home at 25. That was a hoot. Wrenched on her and replaced the front differential. 4-wheel drive motor on the transmission, or the transfer case. Front axle, because I broke one taking it out. Surprise. And she's been going good. But we just got too many miles on the oil. So it's time to change it. Here we go. First startup after a fresh, fully synthetic oil change. That's only 174,000 miles on it. It was due at 166. That's not important. Like butter. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm sitting here working on my 88 F250. Just a second here. I'll show you her. She's the old we've deemed her Truck Norris. She's got the 351 automatic with a C6 3-speed. So she's a little heavy on the fuel. She likes to drink her up. It came with a plow. Nothing crazy, just basic 8-foot straight blade. It's been leaking tranny fluid, and I follow the mechanic's Bible and proverb 3:16 states, if it's leaking oil or transmission fluid, it has oil or transmission fluid. And as you can see right there where that union is, it's no longer dripping. That means we're out of transmission fluid. I attempted to drive this the other day and she did not want to go into reverse. So where she's parked is where she's going to get fixed. I'm going to attempt to cut that union out right there and just hose clamp a little rubber line on We're going to do the union delete. It'll be factory. See here, I just have a simple about 5-inch piece of transmission oil cooler line with a couple hose clamps. Now we're going to cut that union there out and try to just slide this in and clamp her down and see if that holds tight. Now I know Truck Norris might look like a shitbox, and it is, but watch this. Healthy. So like I was saying, we call it Truck Norris. It's got a 351, nothing special. It's got 4 inches of body lift. She's got the headers, rotten frame, decent tires, a little bit of a leak it sounds like. It says 91,918. The pedal's clean. The floor's a little rough. Steering wheel isn't horrible. All the labels are still on everything. 91,000 miles? 191,000? Look at the seat on her. She was a farm truck. She's abused. Got a little bit of rustage there. A little bit back here. But she's not very sturdy. And she's a little rusty. We're gonna fix that. So, I just found out something cool. This funnel that I got from Walmart, flexi funnel, do whatever you want it to, whatever position. Unscrew that. You take your Lucas transmission fix, that's your rebuild in a bottle. Pull that annoying cap off the top and look at this. Stops leaks and hard shifting, controls overheating and renews worn fluid. Transmission rebuild in a bottle. Here we go. This is gonna work perfectly. I like it. It's just thick though. It doesn't like to go in. It's like syrup. Or honey in winter. Doesn't look like any leaks. Looks like we got it all fixed. But we now have a radiator leak. It is wet right there. And on the inside, she's pretty wet too. We're gonna see if we can't just band-aid it.